Introducing the sleek and stylish 2022 Ford Puma ST Line X in black with only 1147 miles on the clock. This SUV packs a punch with a 1-litre petrol hybrid engine and automatic transmission. It's loaded with features including air conditioning, satellite navigation, and collision avoidance braking for your safety. The luxurious interior boasts cup holders and a load cover, while the exterior stuns with privacy glass and a spoiler. Rest easy knowing this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out. Contact us at hillsford.co.uk for more details.